Also, I want to bring to your knowledge that the court which was trying out this case earlier, at present this case is in the court of Ms. Poonam A. Bamba, learned ASJ, Special Judge, CBI Court. Prior to this, there is a order of 5th of July 2012 in the same case, in which the previous judge, Ms. Swarnakanta Sarma, Special Judge CBI, had clearly expressed, I'll read out for your knowledge. The case is listed for consideration. I have seen the documents and have gone through the charge sheet. After going through the charge sheet, I am of the opinion that accused Manmohan Singh, B.S. Dibakar, P. Sivaram Reddy, A. Surya Narayana have not been arrested or charge sheeted by the IO. The reasons for not filing charge sheet against them are not clear. Neither it is clear as to what has happened in investigation against them and their role. So the person who have been made witnesses in this case, they were not made accused, and when the judge, honorable judge of that time, was confused that why were they not made. This is the order of the court.
भारती जी जो पूरा मसला है जो आप सर हो गया
I'll just complete. So this tampering of evidence, which was the accusation, it's a case which involves 116 crore rupees of scam. In the case, there has not been made any attempt whatsoever of trailing the money. Where has the money gone? And one person, desk officer, has been made an accused, and every other person has been let go. The whole of the charge sheet speak not even one sentence of any involvement of this person as to what role did he play other than the role of B.S. Dibakar or Manmohan Singh or other people. There is not at all any evidence, not at all any statement of any nature. So when this audio CD was attempted to be brought on record, that was not entertained, and every attempt was made that this audio CD does not come on record. That application was dismissed. By the same order, desk officer Pawan Kumar bail was cancelled. He was put into jail. We had approached to the Honorable High Court. Honorable High Court said that this Mr. B.S. Dibakar, till the time his cross doesn't get over, after that you can move your application for bail for Pawan Kumar. We moved an application for bail for Pawan Kumar, and finally his bail on 12th this September 2013 was dismissed by Honorable Delhi High Court, giving these observations that you can move in. We did not move to Honorable Supreme Court. That's an absolute wrong which has been reported in the newspaper. Honorable Supreme Court had no occasion to see that bail application of ours. That's wrong. When we were about to move to Supreme Court, that very time, the court of learned Judge Poonam A. Bamba, we were told that now probably we can move the bail application here itself, and we got the bail from that court itself. So I don't see any tampering of evidence. Rather, now through your channels, I am also appealing to CBI to do a correct investigation and catch hold of the actual culprits of this fraud. And I'm also requesting every other person who knows the truth behind this case of 116 crore scam to bring out the actual fact before honorable courts. The third case, which is before the honorable judge, what is his name? In which it's being tried out, Texco Mass International. In that court, honorable judge has commented twice. There has been change of IU investigating officer of the CBI because that judge has observed that certain goof off somewhere, and that's why honorable judge has been saying time and again in that court that why have you not trailed, why have we not investigated the money, where has it gone?
सवाल ये है कि सीबीआई कह रही है कि तीनों केसेस 9 करोड़ 18 लाख के हैं, आप किस आधार पे कह रहे हैं कि 101 करोड़ 116 करोड़ का है? और दूसरी चीज कि आपको नहीं पता प्रोसेस जब ये चल रहा था ट्रायल तो आपको बात करनी चाहिए थी उससे और वो रिकॉर्ड करना ये तो करना नहीं चाहिए था आपको। और ये
सर
one by one. All right. See this, तीनों केसेस जो है ना, तीनों को मिला करके 116 करोड़ बनते हैं, ठीक है। और जिस वक्त चूंकि ये टेम्परिंग ऑफ एविडेंस, व्हाट इज जो प्रोहिबिटेड है वो है टेम्परिंग ऑफ एविडेंस, जो प्रोहिबिटेड है वो इंटिमिडेशन, जो प्रोहिबिटेड है सॉर्ट ऑफ बीइंग अ सील टू द ट्रुथ। प्रोहिबिटेड कोई डिस्कशन नहीं है, और ये सभी सस्पेंड किए गए थे, चारों के चारों ऑफिसर सस्पेंड किए गए थे बैंक से। और ये जो डेस्क ऑफिसर है पवन कुमार और ये बीएस दिवाकर, दे हैव बीन सीनियर एंड जूनियर इन द सेम बैंक ऑल अलोंग। तो जब ये 5 डेट पे नहीं आए जनाब, जब विटनेसेस नहीं आए, तो नेचुरली हमारे पास तो कोई प्रूफ है नहीं कि हम कैसे अपना इनोसेंस प्रूफ करें। तो हमने जानने की कोशिश करी उनसे कि भाई क्या चेक करें। बीएस दिवाकर ने ओपन कोर्ट में कहा था कि साहब हमको कोई इन्फ्लुएंस करने की कोशिश नहीं की गई, लेकिन ये स्टेटमेंट उनका रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया गया, ठीक है। तो व्हाट इज प्रोहिबिटेड, प्रोहिबिशन बातचीत नहीं है। प्रोहिबिशन ये है कि आप टेम्परिंग ऑफ एविडेंस नहीं करेंगे, प्रोहिबिशन ये है कि आप इंटिमिडेट नहीं करेंगे, ये है प्रोहिबिशन। इन्फ्लुएंसिंग, आप इन्फ्लुएंसिंग नहीं करेंगे, करेक्ट। One at a time.
The audio tape you're talking about, the sting operation you're talking about, whatever it is, perhaps is an entirely different matter. The question that's now being raised is that if you were a defense counsel, how could you approach a prosecution witness? That's
No, I have not.
wrong in unethical.
I have not approached prosecution witness.
Sir, but you
The question we need to see these two individuals, they are senior and junior. I'll just give you the record, the audio record also. You go through the entire audio record, and then you will see.
हम मेरिट का केस के मेरिट पे नहीं जा रहे हैं।
One at a time.
हम मेरिट नहीं जा रहे हैं। हम केस के
One
मेरिट
at a
पे नहीं जा रहे हैं।
time. One at a time.
हम केस के मेरिट पे नहीं जा रहे हैं। आप केस का मेरिट बता रहे हो।
One at a time. If you
आपको डिसाइड करना है। हम ये पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि आपने जो काम किया वो क्या सही था, वो गलत नहीं था। सर आपने एज ए लॉयर गलत
there is
compromise you as a defense lawyer approaching the prosecution witness. You're a lawyer, you know it is not acceptable.
हमें नहीं पता है कि क्या
No.
कोर्ट था, क्या
You need to see the entire conversation. The conversation will reveal it to you that the fact, the crux of the matter is entirely different. If you look at, I'll just read out the conversation.
एथिकली वो गलत था
अरे भाई,
गलत था या नहीं था?
No,
आपने जो किया वो गलत
no,
था या नहीं था?
the kind of conversation. There is no bar in speaking. There is no bar in speaking. There is no bar in speaking. There is no bar in speaking.
Discussing the case.
There is no bar in speaking. In fact, if you to unearth the truth. One at a time. If you do not let.
आप आम आदमी के नाम पे राजनीति करते हैं, सीधा सीधा क्यों नहीं बता रहे कि सीबीआई ने आपके ऊपर ये आरोप लगाए हैं या नहीं लगाए? अगर सीबीआई के आरोप सच है तो 2 कांस्टेबल आपकी हेल्पलाइन के जरिए पकड़ेंगे, उनके पर लगे गंभीर आरोप है या आपके पर वाला आरोप गंभीर है?
अरे भाई क्या आरोप लगाए हैं?
सीबीआई ने अभी टेम्परिंग में पड़े जो फैक्ट है वो
नहीं।
लगाया है नहीं लगाया है?
अरे भाई, you need to understand. We have you. आप अगर पूरे ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड को सुनेंगे तब आपको सच मालूम पड़ेगा कि सच क्या और झूठ क्या है। इसमें
अच्छा जाना ही नहीं है।
मेरी बात,
हम जानना चाह रहे हैं सवाल ये है या नहीं? कोर्ट ने कहा कि आपने गलत किया है।
had it been hold on, who had brought this matter before the honorable court? It's me. It's not somebody else. This is not somebody else's investigation which has revealed the fact that Somnath Bharti or Pavan Kumar had a discussion or had a talk with the BS Divakar, who is also suspended officer.
तो क्या सही हो जाता है?
It is we who wanted to bring out this audio record. Your question is
अगर कोई
answered.
कल्प्रिट
There's nobody else's investigation.
गलत होगा तो वो गलत सही होगा क्या? अगर हम गलत किया वो गलत सही हो जाएगा।
काम करते हैं, क्या आप उसको सही मानेंगे?
अरे भाई एक सेकंड, एक एक करके।
अगर मैंने कोई गलत काम किया और मैं आपके सामने आके मान लेता हूँ कि मैंने गलत किया तो मैं सही हूँ।
गलत नहीं, गलत जो है वो गलत किसको कहते हैं? आप जो इसके जो टर्म्स देखें बेल के, उसमें है टेम्परिंग ऑफ एविडेंस। उसका मतलब होता है कि आप किसी को इंटिमिडेट करो, किसी को इन्फ्लुएंस करो, राइट, टू ब्रिंग आउट अ डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ स्टोरी। यहाँ पे जो साफ साफ ये कहा गया है, पूरे ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड सुन लीजिएगा।
हम नहीं कर, कौन कर रहा है?
It is an it is erroneous. It was erroneous. Hold on, let me. It was erroneous. It was erroneous on the. I'm saying that. Now listen. It was erroneous. One second, madam. One second. It was erroneous on the part of learned judge of CBI court to say that this is a tampering of evidence.
High Court has upheld it, sir. High Court upheld it and that's why didn't grant the bail it asked for.
That does not make something which is erroneous correct.
Sir, you are saying that High Court is wrong. Lower court is wrong and High Court is wrong in that particular order.
Honorable court never went into appreciating of the evidence because what was brought before. What was
your conduct and that of your client was unethical, questionable, and amounted to tampering of evidence. So that's come from the court.
That's what I'm saying, madam. That's what I'm saying. That was a wrong. That was erroneous observation.